Hi everyone. I am Manisha Fancy.
Babe, why are you not letting me finish?
What? I'm just introducing myself.
But this is my channel.
But your people love me more.
Fine.
Anyway, guys, we are starting a new series of question and answers today. And in this series, I am going to ask questions of nutrition, health, and fitness on your behalf from Manisha. And I'm going to personally make sure that I am in every video, whether somebody wants me here or not. So, if you like this idea, then let us know in the comments below and also ask your questions in the comments. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel already, then do that. And if you also want to be notified every week Sunday 10 a.m. about the video, then also make sure that you press the bell icon. Today, we are going to talk about keto diet. So, Manisha, tell me, is keto not the best diet for weight loss? See, for a diet to be ideal or the best, it has to be in sync with your lifestyle, with your eating habits, with your family's eating habits, with your traveling schedule, with your work schedule, and so many other things. Wow, that's a lot. I don't even know. What do we even do in keto? Well, in keto, we eat 70% of our total calories from fat, around 25% from protein, and around 5% from carbohydrates. What rubbish. We eat fat to lose fat. How? See, Fancy, I say this so many times. Our body is the most brilliant machine ever made and will ever be made. So, when we eat carbohydrates like chapati, rice, pasta, our brain basically directs our body to take energy from the carbohydrates. If we are not having carbohydrates at all, then our brain will look for avenues from where it can extract energy. That's where it starts burning fat for energy, and that process is called ketosis. Ketosis? Is that even a real thing or just a make-believe thing that you are saying? No, it is absolutely a real thing. It's like a survival mechanism of our body. The most preferred source of energy for our body is carbohydrates. If in case you do not have carbohydrates, then you can die, right? So to prevent that from happening, this is the process which our body has developed in millions of years, that if the food is not there, if carbohydrates are not there, then fat can be burnt as a source of energy. Wow, that's cool. So we eat fat to get fit? Okay, first, you cannot eat any kind of fat in keto diet. Second, we have spoken about losing weight so many times, and losing weight is not equivalent to being fit. What? Losing weight doesn't mean getting fit? No, Fancy. We have spoken about weight loss so many times. And have you ever seen a world champion on a keto diet? Babe, I read Vogue, not Sports Illustrated. And by the way, there's a friend of mine who knows in and out of keto, and he told me that carbs are very bad for people who have diabetes and who want to lose weight. Do you know, Fancy, what happens to the carbs when they go inside our body? Why would I come to you if I already know that? Carbohydrates break down inside our body to make glucose, from which our cells make energy. And do you know what happens to the fat when energy has to be taken out from it? Well, fats also go through certain chemical reactions which lead to the reactions which are connecting to glucose in some way. Wait, so if everything is getting converted to glucose only, why should I have an avocado and not a banana? There you go. That's what I keep saying. You can get everything you need from a balanced diet also. But you have to agree to one thing. Keto makes you lose weight really fast. It's actually not true, Fancy. You know why people do not get the same results in the balanced diet? Because they think that because everything is allowed, they can eat anything in any quantities. But that's not true. You have to eat the right thing at the right time, in the right quantities, in the right combinations, in the right proportions. So that's when you get the ideal result and the ideal health or the ideal weight loss from a balanced diet. So tell me, what is this right? That's actually different for everybody on the planet, Fancy. Do you think all these people got these results doing the same thing? Heck no. But all the videos that I have made till date with or without you can actually help people make that decision better. So you are saying that we can be healthy without keto? Absolutely.